Hare Krishna. Welcome to Bhagavati Sikshak Prashikshan Mahavidyalay's online e-learning platform. I, Sumit Kumar Dubey, Assistant Professor, welcomes you to the online learning platform. Here, in this video, we will discuss about the subject Philosophical Foundation of Education for MEd first year, first semester, and this video is in the continuity of the previous video, relationship between philosophy and education. Here is the part 2. So let's start. We are discussing about the what is philosophy, what is education. I hope you listened to the our previous video where we discussed about the introduction of philosophy and the introduction of education. In this video, we are going to discuss about philosophy as the foundation of educational aims. शिक्षा के उद्देश्यों का जो आधार है वो दर्शन होता है, किस प्रकार से होता है, आइए इस वीडियो में चर्चा करते हैं. In previous video we almost discussed only in English, and in this video I will try to speak in Hindi also. So let's start. Philosophical beliefs about the nature of knowledge. Epistemology determines what is considered valuable to teach. It means where we are in a profession of teaching, or education directly relates with learning and teaching. Philosophical beliefs are the basis of deciding the valuable factors to teach. Means जब हम एक शिक्षा के क्षेत्र की बात करते हैं, अध्यापन कार्य की बात करते हैं, तो उस अध्यापन कार्य में ज्ञान की प्रकृति के रूप में किन बिंदुओं को या किन मूल्यों को पढ़ाया जाए, इसके बारे में फिलोसॉफिकल बिलीव्स जो होते हैं वो एक बेस की तरह कार्य करते हैं. The second point is ethical philosophies shapes the moral and social goal of education, promoting values like justice, equality and compassion. फिलोसॉफी का जो नीतिगत तत्व होते हैं, इथिकल जो तत्व होते हैं, वो समाज के लक्ष्यों को निर्धारित करने में, नीति को निर्धारित करने में शिक्षा की क्या भूमिका होगी, शिक्षा के सामाजिक लक्ष्य क्या होंगे, शिक्षा के नैतिक लक्ष्य क्या होंगे, और शिक्षा के द्वारा न्याय, समानता और कंपैशन जैसे जो पॉइंट्स हैं उनको किस तरीके से बढ़ावा दिया जाएगा, इसके ऊपर जो दर्शन है उसका नीतिगत विशेषताएं या नीतिगत मूल्य इस बात पर विशेष बल देते हैं. The third point is metaphysical views influence the understanding of human nature and purpose of education. Metaphysics means understanding of nature, how a human learns, what is the nature of human understandings, and what is the purpose of education, and how they are interrelated. Human understanding and the purpose of education, when they integrate, then a human start to acquire education and transforms his behavior. Different philosophical schools of thoughts like idealism, realism, pragmatism lead to diverse educational aims. दर्शन के अंतर्गत विभिन्न प्रकार के क्षेत्र होते हैं जिनको कि हम एक जैसे विचार वाले लोगों का समूह जो कि किसी एक विचार पर केंद्रित होता है, जैसे कि आदर्शवाद है, व्यवहारवाद है, प्रकारवाद है. इन सब चीजों के अंतर्गत हम शिक्षा के उद्देश्यों को अलग अलग प्रकार से पढ़ते हैं. जब हम आदर्शवाद की बात करेंगे तो शिक्षा के उद्देश्य कुछ अलग प्रकार से होंगे. जब हम रियलिज्म की बात करेंगे, प्रैग्मेटिज्म की बात करेंगे, तो शिक्षा के उद्देश्य कुछ भिन्नता लिए हुए होंगे. फिलोसॉफी provides a framework for justifying the importance of education in personal and social development, where we discuss about philosophical as a foundation of educational aims. When philosophy plays important roles to determine the educational aims, then philosophy gives a framework for education and importance in a person's development and the society's overall development. When a person acquires individual qualities like he learns, he acquires the knowledge, he transforms his behavior, and then he is ready to teach others. So, a individual develops through philosophical values, and then he creates a good society. एक अच्छे समाज का निर्माण अच्छे नागरिकों से ही होता है, और एक नागरिक के जीवन में मूल्यों का सर्जन करने में दर्शन की आधारभूत भूमिका होती है. सो फिलोसॉफी ऑफ एजुकेशन helps define what a well educated person is. Philosophy can differ between a educated person and uneducated person. An educated person acquires the values which is developed through education in him, and a uneducated person has no such values. So philosophy of education can clearly differentiate between well educated and non educated person. So I hope you learned about the philosophy as foundation of educational aims in this video. In next video, we will describe in detail the philosophical schools and educational theories. Those we discussed in a brief in this video. So next video, we will discuss in detail about idealism and realism. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let us know through your comments. Do you like the video or any queries about this video, about this subject? Let us know. Hare Krishna.